Okay guys, I did some work to my car the other day. I went and had new mufflers put on, and did a resonator delete, and did new exhaust tips. So as you can see, trunk's a little bit of a mess. Did take off the stock muffler, which is bulky. Got the resonator and the factory tips off of there. As you can see, that's definitely bulky and weighted down. So what I did was I went with Borla black tips, and I went with the Black Widow neighborhater mufflers. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a cold start. Kind of got the ram in the way. I had to park a little close in the driveway just to get off the street. So without further ado, hit this cold start. Well, it's not really cold, it's like 80 degrees here, so I'm going to debash the car here in a little bit. So I'll attach the video of that to this and have a pretty good video. So here's cold start. Let's hop in and y'all come ride with me. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there is some drone with this new exhaust setup, especially if you're in sport mode and you're getting in the 1500 and above RPM range. So I'm gonna put it in sport mode, go for a ride in town, and take it out on the highway just so you can hear the difference between city driving and driving out on the highway. I'm not gonna lie, if you can get past a little bit of drone, this definitely sounds a hell of a lot better than what it did with the factory setup. I personally don't mind some drone, especially because I'm not taking this car on 4 or 5 hour trips. Yeah, it may be my daily driver, but I drive 20 minutes each way to work every day. So it's not something that's going to really faze me. Plus, if you've heard my ram, that ram is loud as hell anyway, so I'm definitely used to loud exhaust. So we'll take this down through here. We'll go ahead and manually shift a little bit just so you can hear what a higher RPM sounds like. As you can see, it's about 4,000 RPMs right there. Definitely nice to see things kind of liven up a little bit, see some kids out playing. Nice to not be cooped up so much. Alright. So I'm going to get ready to take this out on the highway. Probably about 2 minutes out, so try not to make this video too long-winded and boring. Trying to kind of keep things a little bit better on that end. Roll the windows down a little bit so you can hear the difference between open windows versus closed up as far as the cabin noise. lie, guys, this sounds a heck of a lot better than the stock setup did. know there's definitely a lot of exhaust options out there. I know a lot of people decide to go with MagnaFlows or Carbons, things like that. It just doesn't give me as much sound as I would like. I don't really feel like it brings out the exhaust note the way I would like it to be. So after I did my research, I want something that was going to be loud and really, really aggressive, so I went the Black Widow route. And let's face it, for $109 per muffler for the neighborhaters, definitely not a bad route to go. So let's get ready to take this out on the highway and hear this thing rip. Yes! That's right. Okay, let's bring this thing down a little bit so I don't get a speeding ticket. Okay, we'll go ahead and lock this cruise in. Pull the window down some more, see if I can get a little bit of... Alright guys, I'm going to get ready to put an end to this video. I might just go ahead and post this as is and go ahead and make a second video of debadging the car once I go to the auto parts store and get some stuff to work with. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully you like the way this car sounds now. Please, please, please hit the like button, the subscribe button. Definitely helps out a little bit as far as stuff like that goes. As far as debadging goes, I watched a video from another YouTuber who goes by Rich2Bad. We'll go ahead and put a link to his YouTube page in here. That way you can see what he's doing to his Charge RT, Miss Betty White. And I will catch you next time, guys. Thanks.